Outfit check ta karon. Oh, croissant, oh.
From head to toe eh.
Oh, head to
North
toe.
Face, ex-girl okay.
Okay.
Uniqlo,
Okay.
Timo,
Okay.
ay,
Pak.
asan eh? Sa Sports Depot,
Oh. Nike.
Jordan.
Oh, Jordan. Okay. Wow.
Thank you.
How about you?
All SM. Pugihan sa SM.
Ikaw, Day?
Kini from SM3.
Okay. Pat ganun.
Ibaw na sila sa SM3 ha. SM3
How about you, Doktora?
all in all.
Oh.
SM from second script.
Ay,
No.
Okay.
By Jenny. Coach.
Okay.
Uy, itong ko mga ban.
This is from Ma'am Abby.
Okay.
Sheehan. Timo.
And dasok-dasok.
ikaw kuno din.
Jeannie Sang, how about you outfit check?
Second street check. Ang kanadeng kalo.
And you?
And this by Shein.
Okay.
All in one.
Okay. How about you?
Speechless. From MK.